In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your Exness account ID number. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to my.exness.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. From here you'll need to sign into your account with your username, email address and password, and just click sign in. Once you get inside of the account, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll see over in your accounts, you'll see all of your existing demo or real accounts that you have opened. From here, you'll need to find the specific account that you want your account ID number for. And then from here, you'll need to go over to these three dots over here. And from here, you'll need to go down to account information. Once you get inside of the account information, you'll see your account number. You'll see the nickname or the standard type, see the type, actual leverage, adjust leverage, free margins. You'll also be able to see the server, and you can copy that and the login details for the server. Once you get all this, you can open up MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and then use these credentials to log into your account. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!